Family, welcome back to the channel. Fix It for Reselling. Car Boot Chris has sent me this Supercup football game to take a look at. It's like I'm becoming his personal repairman. The cheapest. I have no idea what is wrong with this. He did not tell me. But this is a good bolo to look up while at the car boot. Does it say what year it is? Oh, Toys R Us. Right, so no, I can't even see a date on this one. Well, let's get it out. I mean, it's got to be 80s, early 80s, late 70s maybe. Requires 2 C-type batteries. Have I got any of them? And there it is. We've got no football. What is that on the bottom? Is that a foot? God, I don't want to drop anything on the floor in here. It's a mess underneath me. Got a foot missing on that side. Don't know why that's fallen out of there. It should just stay in there. No other feet in there. I'm missing a foot. Okay. Right, that's for moving the keepers. You can spin them around. Let's flip it over. Open it up. A little bit of corrosion on that one, but it's okay. Can hear things rattling around inside. Right, 2 C-cell batteries. Let's get our multimeter. We'll actually touch on the contacts, not on the battery itself. And we're getting 3.5 volts, so that's okay. Where are we? Let's turn the button on. Got our little screws there. Right, turn it on. Turn it on. And nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay, looks like we're taking this one apart straight away. Ah, there's the ball under there. That's what I can hear rattling around. Hey, we've got a football. Let's just turn it on and give the batteries a quick wiggle. Nope, still nothing. It's definitely coming apart. We got any screws? Oh, the screws are under the feet. So let's keep them safe. And hopefully this will fit down in there. No. Damn it. Just try and use a flathead. Yeah, that works. It's 4 long ones in the middle, little ones all around the outside. I'm going to take that little foot out there because I do not want to lose that. In fact, you can go under there. And it's a good job I did that because there's a screw on the top there. Another little one. Take all the knobs off. Anything else? Do the little pliers come off? Yep. Got to remember which way these go now. I'm filming this so I can go back and look at the film, but if you're not filming it, take a picture. Do the goalies come out? No, they don't. Right, let's have a look underneath here. Goalies stay where they are. Right, so what we got? What have we got? Yeah, we've got some little bits of fluff. We've got our switch. Are they looking like they're connected okay? Let's have a look. Right, our blue and our yellow wires are going underneath here. So that switch just comes off of there. Right, let's quickly test our switch. Go into continuity, so it beeps. So at the moment it is off. Flick the switch on and that should beep. No. No. Make sure we've got a good contact. And this could be as simple as a switch. Do I take this apart? That is the question. Or can I just get some contact cleaner down in there? Yeah, it's that whole plastic thing's moving, so I would imagine it's just oxidized on the bottom of that switch. Let's zoom you in a bit so you can see what I'm doing. So I just need to lift these tabs up really. That's just a bit of kind of like cardboard that's on the bottom, which will probably have some contacts on the bottom of it. Just trying to do it really gently. So that is literally all it is. Copper pad that goes backwards and forwards. It's attached to the switch there. And the bottom of the here, I'm hoping this is oxidized, or maybe no contacts there. And there you can see, look how dark that one is. That one looks okay, nice and bronze. And that one's oxidized. Right, I'm just going to try a bit of contact cleaner first. Just spray some on a cotton bud. This probably won't do it too well. I think we're going to have to use a little bit of sandpaper on here. Yeah, see, that's not cleaning up that well. So I have a little bit of sandpaper here. This is only like 400 grit, so it's quite fine, but it's enough to get that oxidization off of there. It's slightly indented, so it's just need to fold it to get in there. Give it a little rub. You can see how much shinier that is now. And we'll give the contacts on the switch a little wipe as well. Ooh. If you don't drop it inside the thing. But I mean, this is looking pretty good as it is. Let's just pop that back in there. And then we just fold over these metal tabs again to hold it in. Alright, let's just zoom you back out. Back in continuity so it beeps. Switch is currently off. So there, no beep. Now let's put the switch to on, and fingers crossed it should be that easy. let's just see if we can pop our batteries back in with it open. Make sure that's off for now. Right, that's batteries are in there. Just pop your back on. Right, let's turn it on. Let's see what happens. Nothing. It's not going to be that easy. Oh, the battery's making a good contact. Yeah, 3 volts. Right, so it's not going to be that simple. Let's... Right, we've got our voltage should be coming through. Oh, let's get our voltage back on, DC. Let's go to the yellow over here, which is the yellow from our battery. So, yeah, we've got voltage going to that. Now let's go on our blue because it's turned on, and down to our negative. Yes, so we've got 3 volts going through the blue, which is coming to here. So our voltage is going through the switch now, and we're going to have to take this off. Remove them. Got screws down in there. Right, so basically all that switch does is go to this motor. That is all it does. So could just be our motor stuck. Let's give it a little twizzle. Probably might kickstart it like that. So is the motor just got stuck in its one position. So I'll leave this running for a bit when I when I test the game, and that should free that motor up anyway. Just the contacts inside are probably just oxidized as well. They oxidize, it just gets stuck there, and then you just need to give it a wiggle when it starts going again, most of the time. Right, let's switch it on. Well, they're all moving up and down. I think that's it. That's all it was. That is all it was. Might wipe some of this dust out of here. I'm just giving these bits a quick wipe down, but they have got grease on there. So just trying to get some of this hair and stuff off that's underneath there. So we're going to give that all a good clean up. Now I've just got some Mollycock grease that is good for plastics. Get a little brush. I think this came with it actually. You don't need much. Just want to put a bit of this on there. Same over this side, I've given that a clean. Just get some of the hair off of it. Still some hair on there. But that's it really. That's all you need, a tiny, tiny bit. So I might just give this a quick clean out and grease some of this back up. Right, I'm just going to give this a quick wipe round and come back when it's all back together. This is going to be a nice short video from me for a change. Although I could be here a while getting this hair out. Right, so that's it all back together. Let's turn it on. This thing makes a racket. The clicking you can hear are the little corners that flick up and down when the ball goes in the corner. The little bits of plastic flick up. Sit there, all moving backwards and forwards nicely. Wheels turning. Keepers are moving. Whee! Boom, 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 boom. And that's pretty much it. You've got your little counters for your goals. Let me show you it in the corner. Hey. Right, so how good was that? A nice simple fix. Good old vintage 1980s electronics. Just the batteries, a switch and a motor. That's what I like. Thanks for watching the video. Nice and quick, nice and simple. Rule 101, 102, check the batteries first. Secondly, check the switch. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.